morning, friends. Welcome to Jasontown. This is day one of Jasontown, actually. And going on because I have to go do something today that I don't like doing. It's rent time. Got to pay the rent. And I, like many of you, have to live paycheck to paycheck. And I'm curious as to how a lot of people do it. I have 3 roommates, so that keeps money and bills down. But I'm only allowed to work so many hours a year at the job that I have, and so because of that, I don't have a lot of money all the time. So I have to go do this thing. It's called Speedy Cash. Every now and again, I get to a point, generally every like 4 months, where I have to go and take out like a small loan. It's one of those payday loan things. So basically, what do? I give them a check for like $300. They give me $255 back, and then on my next payday, they take the $300 out of my account. They cash the check. Or if I can make the money back up in the 2-week period, then I can rush back over to Speedy Cash and give them the $300. They'll give me my check back, and I can tear the damn thing up. I don't like doing it, but sometimes it's a necessity. Don't know. I mean, I know I could probably get a second job or something to that effect, but my job actually is tight on hours as far as that goes, because I have to sign a contract every January that says I won't work over 1,399 hours a year, and if I do work over that time period, I could get myself fired. But I'm also a lower level supervisor, so I have to be available when they call me. So getting a second job is difficult. Now, I know what you're going to say. You go, well, get a different job. That's ridiculous. This is California. Most companies are going this direction. I have a friend who's been out of work for well over 6 years. He drives Uber. He drives Lyft. He does odd jobs here and there. A really smart guy, a salesperson, but hasn't been able to get a job to save his life. Just keeps getting rejected because he believes that he's worth more than what they want to pay him. But things have changed in the work industry, where companies don't want to pay the big dollars anymore. I used to make 6 figures. I made six figures in the construction industry for a little while, but that went down in 2008 and never came back to the point that it was when I was laid off. So since that time, it's been struggling from job to job, trying to reach the the glory days of 6 figures a year without a diploma. Now you'll say, well, go back to school. I don't have the patience for school anymore. I don't have a lot of patience anymore. I just turned 47, and there's a lot of things that I don't know. Maybe I'm just making excuses. But currently still living paycheck to paycheck, and trying to figure out how to get the golden goose without working a billion hours to get there and not having a life. When I was doing 6 figures a year in the construction industry, I didn't have a life. I got 2 weeks vacation a year, but the rest of the time it was work. I got gray hair faster than you could possibly believe. I gained a ton of weight because it was a sit-down supervisor job. So I wasn't happy. This job that I have now, it's in the airline industry. So I travel whenever I want to. Let me rephrase that. I travel whenever I can afford to. But I can do short jaunts. I can go to Iceland for 24 hours and go to a restaurant, or go down to the Blue Lagoon and sit in the Blue Lagoon for a day, and then jump on a plane and come back home. So my job is ideal for getting out and doing stuff. it's just not ideal for paying the bills. So, just a curiosity, I guess I'm sending out there to all my friends out there on YouTube. What do you think about living paycheck to paycheck, going back to school, trying to get out of the rat race? Make comments down below. Subscribe if you want. There's a bell that pops up next to the subscription if you want to see the next video that I have popped out. And hope to see you guys all again in Jasontown. All right, bye for now.